Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking a template that fits your goal. This saves time and keeps layout consistent. Once done, set the aspect ratio, 16, 9 for screens, 4, 3 for projectors, and name the file so collaborators find it. Make sure to place the deck in the right folder and adjust share settings early. That prevents lost work. Now sketch 3 to 7 main points as slide titles and decide which visuals will support each point. This planning step speeds every later edit. Next, use the master slide to lock fonts, colors, and logo placement. This avoids inconsistent edits. Then populate slides. Add concise headers, bullets, and visuals that illustrate one idea per slide. When you insert images or charts, compress oversized files to about 150 to 200 KB to keep performance smooth. Once visuals are placed, apply subtle animations and quick transitions. Keep timing under 1 second, so for final steps, rehearse in presenter view and time each slide. This reveals pacing gaps and lets you adjust note prompts. Then export a backup, PDF or PPTX, and enable offline access so you can present without internet. Share the final link and set viewer permissions last. If something goes wrong, video won't play or custom fonts shift, embed the video into the slide or switch to system-safe fonts. These fixes restore fidelity quickly. Finally, open the deck on the presentation device to verify everything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.